वेलकम बैक टू कोड टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं डेटाप्लेक्स क्विक स्टार्ट कमांड लाइन। सो फर्स्ट यू क्लिक स्टार्ट लैब। लैब शुरू हो चुकी है तो हम क्लाउड कंसोल को इनकॉग्निटो विंडो में ओपन करेंगे। नेक्स्ट यहाँ से हम ट्यूटोरियल को क्लोज करेंगे बाय क्लिकिंग लीव एंड लैब पर वापस जाएंगे। सबसे पहले हमें कुछ कमांड्स रन करने हैं टू इनेबल द डेटाप्लेक्स एपीआई एंड सेट द वेरिएबल्स। सो इन कमांड्स को हमें रन करना है क्लाउड शेल में, एंड क्लाउड शेल को एक्टिवेट हम इस पर क्लिक करके कर सकते हैं। क्लिक ऑथराइज एंड यहाँ आपको कमांड पेस्ट करना है and hit enter to run। देन इसके बाद हमें वापस आके यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट आईडी सेट करनी है एंड देन रीजन के लिए वेरिएबल बनाने के लिए हमें इस कमांड को रन करना है। आफ्टर दिस हम टास्क 1 पे आ जाएंगे, विच इज टू क्रिएट अ लेक फॉर विच वी हैव टू रन दिस कमांड। इट क्रिएट्स अ लेक कॉल्ड e-commerce in this location, display name as you can see, and description is this. So copy this. The commands are pretty simple, you just need to understand the basic structure of it. Says it will take up to 3 minutes for the lake to be created, so we will wait patiently. Make sure your screen does not turns off while this is running. तो after this command is complete, हम lab पे वापस आएंगे, check my progress, and हमारा Dataplex lake successfully create हो चुका है. Now the task 2 is to add a zone to your lake. So first we will run this command. It is to create a new curated zone. This is basically the name of the zone that you are putting, which is really custom. Location, lake that we just created, resource type, resource location type, which is single zone, and type is curated. All of these are just settings of the orders curated zone that we are just creating. Next, come back here, click check my progress. It is done. Task 3 is to attach an asset to a zone. So we will run this command. Next, we will run this command to attach the dataset to the zone that we just created. If you have done the Dataplex Quick Start console lab, then you will understand that we are doing exact same steps. The only difference is that in this lab, we are doing it in command shell, and in that lab, we did it in the console, that is manually, by going onto the link by searching here. That's all. After this is completed, we will go back here, click check my progress. Complete. Now the task 4 is to delete the assets, zone and lakes. For that, we will run this command. This will delete the asset. Enter Y. This will delete the order curated dataset. This we will come back here and delete the zone by running this command. You can enter capital Y or small y, and the zone is also deleted. Now it's time to delete the lake. Now this is also deleted, so we will click check my progress. And congratulations, this lab is now complete. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Now you can just simply end this lab. You can also find the playlist that we have created for this particular lab. You can also find it in the playlist section. Before ending, we will check if we have checked all the check my progress. We have done it, so click end lab is complete.